today I'm going to show you how to remove tomato suckers and also give you some updates to my sweet corns. Let's head to my garden and I will show you what suckers looks like. Okay, here's our tomato. So the sucker that I'm talking about is this one between this big leaves here and this one. So the sucker is this one. We have to remove this one or else this will suck up the vitamins that's supposed for the plants to bear good fruits. So the way we remove it, you just pick it and that way. And there's more. This one here, this is also the sucker, so we have to remove this one as well. These are my corns. They're doing pretty well. They're fatter than me. Beautiful. And they're starting to bear fruits. That's all for today. It's just a quick one, so thank you for watching and I hope you learn a little bit. Have a great day.